Hi guys, so as you must have heard, the United States Securities Exchange just sued Binance in its US district court for unregistered security operations. So according to the regulator, as you can see, Binance failed to register as a securities exchange and operated illegally in the United States. Also, the SEC has also claimed that some coins, right, are securities, which includes BNB, right? As you can see, BUSD, Solana, Cardano, Filecoin, right? Matic, Atom, Sandbox, Mana, Algorand, AXS, and Koti. And as you can see, YFI has been exempted from that and are not currently on the list, even though we have seen a huge push to the downside, even for the price of YFI. As since the news came out, we have dropped pretty 13% on the price of Solana. But as you can see, prices have pushed up since then, just about 7%. So, what are we expecting next, even for YFI? Right, we could see just some little push, probably even to the 5,158 dollars region in the medium to short term. Nothing serious, right? But we are still very bullish on YFI. We are still expecting higher prices, right? And this is basically just FUD. If you have been in the cryptocurrency market, you would have seen all these news which have come out, which are basically just FUD to just get you out of your coins. But as you can remember, all this is just FUD, and we probably will recover from it, right? And we would continue as usual. So as you can see, basically, we could see one more push to the downside, right, before we continue our push to the upside. Basically, right, that is the update even for YFI in the medium to long term. Also, as you can see, if we look at the money flow right index, as you can see, the money flow index, we saw a huge push to the downside when the FUD news about Binance just came out. As you can see, we saw a huge dump, even for the BS dumping their tokens, very weak hands dumping their tokens. But as you can see, we are currently pushing to the upside, so we could expect a little more consolidation right here, even on the money flow. Same thing, we could see on the chart, expect some sort of consolidation, probably a fake out to the $5,000 region before we expect any other push to the upside. So that is what we should be expecting even on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.